All right, today we're going to do a video of an Okamoto OGM 820U. First thing we're going to do, we'll jog the axes around. You have your INFEED there. Have your wheel head. Nice and quiet. You have your table feed there. Again, also nice and smooth. You are able to vary it through the control. You have your work head, again also variable through the control. It's about 200 RPM. It's about 400 and 500. Turn that down a little bit. Start the grinding wheel. Spindle's nice and smooth. Machine does have a coolant system. You have a pulse generator as well. I think it's presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.